Now, Chris, did Mel enjoy a lovely facial?
Hi,
Oh, Mel, hi!
Oh, hi. Dreamy. I love you, Chris.
Oh, Chris! Oh, and
I would nearly leave my husband for you. Nearly, not quite.
oh, Mel, what a
Thank you for the good compliment.
Isn't that? Oh, look, isn't that? Look, I think that's the best compliment.
My husband doesn't give me this glow.
That's the best compliment we have ever had. And look, you're here with your mum. Oh, look at it. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Come and
That
take
was
this with you.
amazing.
Oh, look,
Thank you.
isn't that fabulous? Look, it's just, I can't tell you how thrilled we are to have you here with us and to hear comments like that. It's
We mean it. I'll be back.
I'll be back.
Fabulous. Look,
I'll
that's
be back.
Absolutely fabulous. And
Definitely.
we'll look forward to seeing you both again
Thank
very
you.
soon. Well done, Chris.
Stay on the Facebook page.